I own a salon, hair care line, and I've been training stylists for years. But today, I'm looking at more hair care advice on TikTok. Some of it's actually really good, but a lot of people are completely wrong. So let's go through what's good advice and which advice will actually make your hair worse.
This is the hair trend for 2025.
Oh God, what is she doing with her hands?
Your hands should never go above your ear when you want a haircut.
This is gonna go really bad.
So you wash her hair, and she's saying bye to her hair.
And by the way, don't ever let somebody who looks like this touch your hair unless you want to end up like a Zoolander movie.
And we're cutting. I don't know what he's cutting because there's not much left.
Where did she find Waldo to get him to do her hair?
All right, I'll say like she's got volume, it looks okay, but you could have achieved this look with a dramatic part.
This poor lady has no idea how hard it's gonna be to style that. What is she gonna do when she gets home and she's not a professional stylist?
I have nothing against short hair. Nothing, okay? If this is the 2025 hair trend, fast forward to 2026. Why don't you brush your hair when it's wet?
Quick pause here. Every stylist brushes wet hair, so maybe she knows something we don't.
All right, so we have spaghetti. So I guess that's supposed to be my hair.
Dry spaghetti is good. You can brush dry spaghetti.
And now we have some wet spaghetti. And, oh, the spaghetti is on the brush.
Oh, look at all that breakage. All right, well, we're gonna have to hold an emergency meeting. All stylists, we need to announce the spaghetti test. We are no longer brushing wet hair.
Girl, why are you using a tangle teaser? How old are you? Is this your child's brush?
In all seriousness, your hair is a little bit more brittle when it's wet, so just be gentle, it's fine.
I just need to see the comments here. Unfortunately, my hair isn't pasta. Me too, Mia, me too. I didn't boil my hair.
All right, Dyson Airwrap here. What's it gonna look like? It says, at this point, I genuinely think I'm a witch.
I think you're a witch too, because when you use Airwrap, it's literally like a cyclone around your head and nothing's moving, so I don't know how you're doing that.
Wow, that actually looks really good. I've never seen anybody get that good a result with the Dyson like ever.
That's very pretty. That is very pretty.
Wait, this is fishy. First of all, the hair isn't even wrapped on the hard part, like it's wrapped on the handle, the cold handle. How does that get a curl? Now that cut, something happened in that cut because Airwrap curls do not look like that. This is completely fake.
Now my real question is, why is the back of your hair set? I'm gonna go to the comments for this because anytime, like I don't believe this at all. Let me just read the comments. My Dyson doesn't Dyson like this. Nobody's Dyson's like this.
You are not a witch, you're just good at editing. All right, so we're getting extensions done here. This is the before shot.
Oh, she's got like a whole team on her head.
All right, a little bit of color here. Notice the eyebrows. All right, final reveal here. Here we go, letting it down.
And look at that length. Okay, that's a lot of extensions in there for sure.
She looks like a totally different person here. Look how full that is now.
Yeah, I mean, this is a dramatic before and after, but it's the power of extensions, to be honest with you.
But if you look at the after, it's easy to be like, oh, I could never have hair like that. But you can, if you have a few $1,000s.
If you're struggling to grow your hair out, you need a healthy hair routine. But if you need immediate length, extensions are great, or like my clients say at the salon, they're like a second mortgage. Let's make my hair ready after gym now.
This is a gym? What gym has a setup like this?
Did you work out? What kind of gym do you go to?
Has like a mirror and a blow dryer station that she's not using.
And the hair is not changing at all, just so we're clear, besides it getting brushed.
And the blow dryer isn't even on. Like, I don't see any air blowing. Do you? Like,
how you are straightening or blow drying your hair without any blow.
Okay, and if you look, her whole channel is about her hair, so it's like some people have like accounts for their dogs or animals. She has an account for her hair.
Oh, that little flip, Arena, with your perfect hair.
Ooh, gotta hit that look at the end, yeah. I only like the way I curl my hair, so I asked my stylist if I could curl it.
This is embarrassing for the stylist, to be honest with you.
Every stylist hates this. Every stylist right now is just,
We've had people come in here and ask if they can just use our tools, and we're like, no, come in and get the service. So go home and do it. This is kind of rude.
This is like going to a restaurant and pushing the chef aside and I'll cook this.
She's touching her hair to try to still be incorporated. She's like, I'm here, I can help you. And then for her stylist to even take a shot with her at the end, that's just super nice of her to do. And let's be honest, the girl behind you's curls look way better than yours do. So somebody there knows what they're doing.
Yeah, this is not cool at all. Don't do this, just do it at home instead.
What am I staring at? 10K followers and she'll let me pull all of them out.
Oh my God, yes. Get that fist of hair. I do this exact same thing with Leslie's hair, but she usually doesn't let me pull them out.
Mine would have to be like 100K followers, just so we're clear. I have to know if they hit the 10K.
Whoa! She has 52K followers right now. That hair got ripped out. Wait, there's a follow-up video.
Oh my gosh, she's chasing her. Oh, she's dragging her.
The post got 13.2 million views.
You're gonna pull them all out like that? Oh my gosh.
Ah, she's doing them one by one. That's fine. It counts.
Oh, this kills me. I can't even watch this because I feel the pain when you pull it out because you see that root? That root is so thick. It is a thick root that you're pulling out there. Oh, it hurts.
It's a scalp on it.
I know. There's some scalp on that root. Excuse me.
Good job for them for actually staying true to what they said they were gonna do. That's funny.
It's not fun when you're the person that's being pulled.
She says health over length, and we've got a fresh haircut here.
Paulina, I don't understand. Why can't you have both?
She might feel like really happy with herself right now, but she should know you can have health and length. You don't have to pick one.
Who lied to you and told you how to cut your hair?
If you took where she's at right now and just had her do the Trinity routine, her hair will be down like to her waist really soon.
She's saying manifesting waist length by summer. You're not gonna get that if you cut your hair, my friend.
And by the way, get a real brush. Stop using a brush like that.
I don't know where this like myth came from, like you have to cut your hair so it becomes longer.
People who cut hair for a living.
Okay, then that makes sense.
Like you really should not be getting cuts if you're trying to grow your hair out. It's the opposite of what you want to do. You do not get longer hair by getting shorter hair.
Never. He liked my long hair, so I cut it. Savage. All right, let's see what this is.
She broke up with somebody and this is how she's getting back at them? I don't think she understands how this works. Why would she give him the power to decide how she looks? Like you're basically saying, I care so much about you, I'm doing this to spite you.
I'm just gonna say, like, I think the short style actually looks cute on her. Like, it does look like healthier because those beach waves looked a little crazy, I'm gonna be honest with you. But I think everybody has done this at some point. They cut their hair for a guy or a bad breakup or what have you. And I think like the revenge is if he liked your long hair and you guys broke up, then grow it longer, not cut it. Am I thinking of that wrong, Chris?
No.
Okay.
Trust me, it's 2025. There are easier ways to get a guy's attention besides cutting your hair off.
Point of view, your hair never holds curl.
And yep, nothing there. I mean, number one, that's not really how you get a curl. Braids are not for curls.
If I had this hair, I'd be like on cloud 9, to be honest with you, because like you wake up like this. But I like to investigate, Ruby. I don't know what happened to you between September and February, but you had curl in September.
So she does have curls. Everybody just wants to complain these days. This is why I hate TikTok. You can't believe anything or anyone.
But beautiful hair regardless, in both scenarios.
What you think having long hair will be like.
So pretty, it's her wedding, versus what it's actually like.
This is 100% true. Longer hair or having extensions or anything like that is a lot harder to deal with.
Someone please teach me how to brush my hair, itching your scalp.
It doesn't just look long, like it's a lot more hair. Like you have a lot more to wash, a lot more to detangle, you need to use a lot more product.
It takes maintenance and it takes time.
You might be watching the video, like if it's so much harder, like why don't you just cut it off? The truth is, it's worth it. It's just worth it.
Everybody wants their hair longer unless you're following a 2025 trend, okay?
Why you should never dye your hair dark.
Yeah, so you can see her roots definitely accepted the color. The other parts, not so much.
She says this is the second time she bleached it. You don't want to bleach a bunch of times.
Oh my goodness, that's horrible.
Good advice, if you decide you want black hair, you shouldn't immediately decide that you want blonde hair. It doesn't work.
I occasionally like to go black, like black. But lucky for me, I don't go light after. I like to live emo.
All right, we are going around asking people how much conditioner they use. These look like hair students.
Girl, no.
All right, that's way too little. That's not, you need to put some more on there, I'm telling you. Next one, whoa.
You're still going? Wait, she's still putting more.
Nah, you don't need that much.
You only need to use 1/10 of that?
Okay, yeah. For her length of hair, totally cool, I like that.
All right, oh, that's a good amount for her. Yeah, I agree.
Let's see what we got on this next one.
Maybe a little bit more, but that's decent. Oh, okay, somebody did their hair today. Yay!
All right, we got good hair here. She actually did it, unlike most hair students.
And you use the right amount of conditioner. Ooh, somebody definitely didn't do their hair and their bangs are super oily. But you use the right amount of conditioner, so there you go.
I didn't have high hopes for her with the bangs, but she nailed it.
We should do this at the salon. Everybody better have the right amount. I'd be pissed. Point of view, nature does everything better. Oh God, not the aloe. This is bringing back like so many traumatic memories right now.
That is gross. You sure you want to put that in your hair?
Girl, it's like snot. Like, do you like to put snot in your hair? Do you blow your nose like this?
I'm gonna guarantee you this is not part of her normal hair routine. How do I know that? Because I actually did this exact same thing on Leslie's hair for a month. It was terrible.
Health benefits. Oh, now you're gonna make a little drink out of it? It does not taste good. 100% Dylan, does not taste good. We're done. I don't even wanna watch the rest of this. These are lies, all lies.
I paid PAYED someone to rip my hair out. This looks like those videos where the cat like pops out of the cabinet and just like,
ow, this is hurting watching. How much hair is in this brush? This looks like when I brush the cats. Like, and all their fur, their winter coat is literally in a brush.
How are you sitting in the chair and you're just like, I'm not gonna say anything, I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, in the comments she says we were laughing together the entire appointment. My hair was so bad, we both knew it was past the point of no return. Okay, well, I'm glad you at least had a good time. This looks like a lot of fun to pay for something like this. Good for you. All right, this is her natural hair. She's a natural brunette. This is her first time getting highlights, but she thought it wasn't blonde. It's not blonde enough.
Okay, so she wanted to go blonder. Okay, I understand that. Again, we all want what we don't have.
It looked good. It looked great before.
Here's a big pile of hair. Lost a lot of hair here.
All right, she says it was elastic. If your hair ever feels elastic, like you need to freak out and panic right there because it is going to break off.
Why are you crying? Whoa, what happened?
Oh, looks terrible.
Oh my gosh.
I couldn't imagine growing hair out to be that long and then having to cut it off. This is the risk you take when you push your stylist to go lighter and lighter and lighter. Yeah, it's the stylist's fault too because she actually did it, but like you have to tell your clients like, this is not okay, we're not going lighter. When is she going to give up that 12-year-old straightener?
That is like a big mama. It's literally like, I am going to straighten all my hair in 5 sections.
I know some people who have old irons like that, and they are the smart ones. Old irons are way better than new irons.
I mean, it's working for her. I assume she didn't do the right side yet. If she did the right side, it's not working for her.
If you have an old iron that still works, ride it until it doesn't, because it's gonna be better than anything you can buy now. All right, that's about all the TikTok I can handle for one day. Stay safe out there, Rebels. Have a good one.